Hi, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make an easy, simple chicken recipe in an instant pot. Let's look at the IP settings. Turn on Saute mode and wait for a minute for the inner pot to heat up. Once the pot is hot, add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add around 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera. If you don't have Shahi Jeera, you can substitute this with cumin or Jeera. Once the Shahi Jeera splutters, add around 1 onion diced. This is a 1 full onion. To this, add around 1 teaspoon of salt so that the onion cooks faster. Now add around 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once the onions turn translucent, add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And cook this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away, add chicken. This is 2 pounds of chicken. Mix this thoroughly. And let it cook for a minute. After a minute, add around 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. And if you don't eat spicy food, just add 1 tablespoon. After adding red chili powder, mix it well. And if you see any burnt food, deglaze it. After a minute, close the lid and adjust the saute temperature to low. And I'll let it saute or cook for around 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. At this point, add half tablespoon of Garam Masala powder and 1 tablespoon of Coriander powder. Mix this well. Chicken is 50% done. So to cook the rest, I'm going to pressure cook it. Add around half a cup of water. Check for salt. Now close the lid. Turn off saute mode. Turn on manual and set it to 2 minutes. Make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. 2 minutes are done. Now I'm going to do a quick release. Once the quick release is done, open the lid. You can see the chicken is cooked well. Now turn on saute mode. Let it simmer for around 5 minutes. Add around 1 tablespoon of coconut powder. Give it a gentle stir and let it simmer. After simmering it for 5 minutes, you can see the oil separating. This is when it's done. At this point, add good amount of cilantro and turn off Instant Pot, and it is ready to be served. So that's it guys, your simple chicken curry is done. This goes very well with rice and chapatis. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye.